All right, y'all, I only have a quick couple seconds because I could not get Screencastify to work, so I have to use Screencast-O-Matic, and they only give you 3 minutes. So I just want to let you know what you're doing today. Here are your 2 assignments in the Google Classroom. For day 1, you're going to be working on your Voice of America essay and Voice of Democracy. Sorry, it should not say Voice of America there. And you're going to upload that into No-Red Ink, or you can write it in No-Red Ink, and that assignment is right here. If for some reason you did not get into No-Red Ink, try going through Google and putting in my class code. That's on last week's assignment, and if it would not let you into last week's assignment, I've added all of you who signed in this past week to that assignment, so you can go back and do that. On your day 2 assignment, you are going to complete or continue working on your essay, and then there's a common lit for you to complete. Really, I want your focus to be on your essay, so the assignments are kind of small for remote learning this week, because if we were in class, we would be dedicating a good portion of our time to media-centered writing. So I'm trying to honor that and give you the same kind of amount of time during your remote learning. But I am here to support you, so please reach out to me with questions or concerns, and I look forward to seeing you all this week. Have a great one. Bye.